All right, so I haven't posted a video on this channel in a while, but I did want to show you guys that I finally completed my Shining Fates collection for the shinies. So I only did basically the shinies onwards, for the baby shinies, I mean, here and onward. But I did get, I think I got all of these as well. I just didn't put them in a binder. I'll probably reorganize this and put them all in because I'm pretty sure I have the entire set of everything. It took a lot of effort though. For those wondering how many ETBs I ripped, I think I did about 20, I did over 25, and I know that's hard to believe, but to prove that I'm not Kevin, this is all of the ones that so these are the ones I took out. I have a couple more of these. They're just ones I had to find for this video, because I know I gave some to my kid, and I had some just in binders and stuff, but there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 28 right here. This is a culmination of 28 ETBs. I did at least 15 tins, at least 15 Pikachu boxes, and then 15 pin, like mini pin tin or mini pin things or whatever those are. I've done so many of those, dudes, it's crazy. But so this is just showing you, like, this is not an easy set to collect. In fact, I don't think any set at this point is going to be easy to collect, because there's so many like limited or special cards in battle styles, even in Evolving Skies, and even what was the last one, whatever the last one was, Chilling Rain. Really difficult. And I didn't even complete this entire set. I was, I think, 12 shy from the entire set that I had to buy it on eBay, which I did not want to do, but I had to do it. So I had a small list of them that I had to buy. But here we go. And I have them numbered here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These ones were hard to get for some reason. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so on. This one was also hard. I had to pay this one outright. I think I got this from somebody for like $30, which is better than nothing. I really wanted to pull this one, but I did not pull it. And I got this. I think I got this one and not this one. And one of the two I couldn't get either. So it was kind of ridiculous. And oops. This one I couldn't get either. It took me forever, and same as Morpico. And some of these I have quadruples or 5 of the same exact ones. So I have another thing. I have like 3 or 4 of these ones. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of extras now that I have a second binder with my son that we've kind of started a second shiny one. I couldn't get this one either. This was one I had to buy. And here's just kind of a look at all of them. So this took, again, a lot of ETBs. I don't know how many thousands and thousands of dollars it cost to complete this one set, but it was like the very first one I've ever tried to complete, and it was, I knew it was going to be a challenging one because, this is a pretty ridiculous set. This one was one that I also didn't get, but I got probably like 5 of these ones and these ones, and it's just been crazy. And Ducket, I didn't get that one either, and Greedon, I don't think I got either. And Double was another one that I had to buy. So those ones I didn't buy. How many Charizards did I get? Out of all of these, I believe I got 6. Out of everything that I've opened, I got 6 Charizards, which is dope. Don't get me wrong, that's really dope. And I did get a lot of the VMAXs too, the full art VMAXs. I got doubles of at least every one and then some. And then here's the rest of them here, as you can see. I think the hardest one to get was probably the Lapras or the Toxtricity. And actually, originally, the Rillaboom was the one. I had almost all of them. The Rillaboom was my last one that I needed to get for the shiny VMAXs. But those are all of the shiny VMAXs, Ditto, Grimmsnarl. And then the Crobat ones, because I opened probably 10 of these boxes as well. I opened quite a few of those. And I got a ton of these, only 1 of these. So I probably got 7 or 8 of these. I only have 1 of those ones. So it's just crazy. The whole set was nuts. Here's another one right here. And then, I have tons and tons of these because I opened tons of these tins. And then tons of these ones. and then tons of these ones. So yeah, it was a fun set to collect. We'll do a little flash here like this. Fun set to collect, fun one to be able to hold on to and look back at years later, hopefully. The Charizard chase was super fun to be able to do with my kid. But man, didn't come at no cost. You could see cost quite a bit of ETBs. But have you guys collected this set or not? Or how many are you guys away from it? Or have you guys not even tried to collect it? I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any more sets like this. This took a lot of effort, but I did like that I started at least a little mini binder to put all these in. It just gave me something to do, and putting them in order was like super fun to be able to do either. Also with my my fam again. So anyway, that's the video. I just wanted to show you guys the entire set. We did it. It took forever and then some. And was it worth it? Probably not, but it was still fun. And yeah, I'll have more videos. I just haven't posted. I have probably 30 videos of ripping cards that I've never even uploaded that I plan on uploading. I have to get organized. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys back on this channel with some more Pokemon stuff. All right, later guys.